Okay. So this is a leather care kit. Furniture, shoes, car. So if you're someone who has leather seats in your car, this is great for you. If you're someone who has designer bags that are leather, this is great for you. Apparel, furniture. It even comes with a little, I want to say microfiber, right? Most of these things come up, they're microfiber. Um, Cloths, but you have the leather cleaner. So first you clean it. And then guys, you can't just use soap and water on leather. I'm sure everyone knows that, but I have to say it. You cannot just use soap and water. You have to use a special product. So guys, the kit comes together, and then you have the conditioner for it. Yes, you need to take care of your leather, honey. Okay, condition your leather. It'll make it last longer. Okay, you want your leather to last. You don't want it to crack and break. You ever see someone with like a leather bag or jacket and they have the cracks and indents in it because it gets stiff? You gotta condition it so it does not break on you. Same with your car. Same with all that leather shoes. Anything you have to condition and clean. Okay. So this comes with both for you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Lint-free application. Okay, with these cloths, no lint. All right. Let's see. Anything I'm missing? Luxury. Oh, furniture too. I think I said that, but I'm not sure. Oh, they've been around for 50 years. Look at that. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy, and all the instructions are right in the back. It tells you exactly what to do. You can't mess this up. Okay, and again, awesome sauce.